What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, guys, one of the questions that I get all the time is how can you make a mesh wreath that doesn't fray? And the answer is you really can't. But what you can do is manipulate the mesh so that you have less possibility to see the fray. So in this method, we're going to cut 2 full rolls at 20 inches. So let's get that done. And I say 2 full rolls because a standard wreath frame has 18 twist ties. If your frame has less, you just need 2 20-inch pieces for every twist tie. All right, so one thing that I like to make sure of is that I use these pieces towards the end of the roll on the bottom area of my wreath. Y'all, they just fold different. Should be getting towards the end here. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 pieces of mesh, separate them. You're going to give each one just a little curl on each end, about 2. And then ruffle it up. Put this on the outside. Don't go too crazy with your tightening. Now we're going to take the other one, curl it up. And this time with the curls up, we're going to place it right in there. And each one is going to get 2 of those curls. We're just going to alternate which one goes up and which one goes down. Now, if you can put them in at the same time. If you can't, just do one at a time, whatever is easier for you. So that is an example of both ways. All right. Now, the reason that we're doing this method is because what frays on your mesh is the cut edges. All right. So by letting those cut edges curl in, they're hidden whenever you ruffle it. You can't see the cuts. All right, so let's get this knocked out. All right, so we went all the way around the base of the bottom. And now we're just gonna fill in the top just like that, following the same pattern. All right, we're almost done, y'all. So all we've been doing over and over again is our little 2 curls ruffle. The first one, curl side down. Second one, curl side up. And at the end, it's gonna leave us with a really, really full wreath base with no fraying edges. All right, there we go. Now we've got a multicolored wreath base, no frayed edges, and it's ready to be decorated. All right, bye y'all.